Hello everyone. Welcome to Data Decode, a channel where we simplify Excel and data analytics concepts in an easy and practical way. If you want to learn Excel skills that save time and improve your productivity, you are in the right place. In today's video, we will learn how to split full names into first name and last name using Excel. So, here I have a list of employees' full name. Now, if you want to separate first name and last name manually, it can take a lot of time, especially when working with a large data sets. So, here comes a solution. Excel provides a very simple solution using flash fill. Let me show you. I will type the first name for the first employee. Now I'll press Ctrl E and you can see Excel automatically fills all the first name. Similarly, we can do it for the last name. I will type the last name of the employee. Now again I'll press Ctrl E and Excel completes the entire column instantly. So Excel identifies the pattern from the example and applies it to the rest of the data automatically. This feature is useful in cleaning the data, getting customer data management, preparing reports and dashboards. So instead of spending time on repetitive tasks, you can complete them in seconds using this method. So finally, if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to Data Decode for more practical Excel and data analytics content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.